Hello and welcome back to a very important video. And if you are a college student and you are going to graduate in 2026, so this opportunity with 20,000 plus vacancies across the different roles in Infosys has been released. So if you are a 2026 student, so today I'm going to tell you everything about this, and most importantly I'll be telling you from where you can get placement material of this and actual ask question of this Infosys. So don't miss any part of this video. Okay, so in this video what we are going to cover, we will be covering, I'll be sharing you important questions which were asked recently. That means Infosys has already done their hiring in some of the priority colleges. So I'll be showing you the actual asked questions of those at the last. So don't miss any part of the video. Okay, and watch till in. Apart from this, I'll be telling about this opportunity and what are the roles that they are hiring for and what will be the salary packages that they are offering. Apart from this, who can apply? Basically, the eligibility criteria, who can apply on this. I'll be sharing you all the information about this also. And what will be the recruitment process and the salary comparison. So this is also a very important thing. And from where and how you can apply for this and eligibility criteria also there. So I'll be sharing you all information that you need for Infosys off campus hiring. Okay, so let's begin with the video. And before going to the video, if you are new on our channels, please do subscribe the channel because we do bring these type of videos on the regular basis. Okay, so please do subscribe the channel. We are very close to 10K subscriber. And if you want actual ask questions, so I'll be showing you actual ask questions also, which were asked recently. So do watch the video till end. Okay, so let's first discuss about this opportunity. So basically, Infosys has launched their off-campus hiring, and they are hiring for more than 20,000 plus vacancies across different roles. Okay, and they are uh, giving you a very good package salary. That means, okay, so let's discuss the roles and the salaries that they are providing. So there are four different types of salaries, the packages, CTCs that they are providing, and based on your performance they will be deciding in which package you will be there. Okay, so I'll be discussing all those things also, okay, in upcoming time. Okay, so let's discuss about this. Okay, so the first package that they are providing is the digital specialist training. Okay, and you will be getting the package of 6.25 LPA, and you will be getting 75,000 as the joining bonus. Okay, so this is the entry. Basically, entry means the initial package of the Infosys digital specialist. Apart from this, we have the second, that is specialist program training, that is L1. And in this, you will be having 10 LPA package and 1 LPA or 1 lakh as a joining bonus. Okay, so when you will be joining, you will get 1 lakh as a joining bonus. So that means you will be getting 11 LPA. Okay, so this was the specialist program training as a junior. And we have another specialist program training for L2, that is L2 means as a senior level. So in this, you will be having 16 LPA as the base package, and you will be also getting this type of bonuses in every uh, package. Okay. After this, we have top tier, that is 21 LPA, and Infosys is the company that gives you more than 20 LPA salary for the freshers. Okay, so this is one of the best opportunity for you, a specialist program training L3. So this is going to be the uh, top tier basically, where you will be getting highest package of as compared to the other companies. Okay, so this was all about the salary, role packages distribution. So now let's move to the eligibility criteria and who can apply on this. Okay, so if you are a graduating batch and you are graduating in 2026, so you are eligible for this. And if I talk about the branches, so BTech students, ME, MTech student, MCA, MSc, and MSc Mathematics. So these are the batches, means the branches that are eligible for this. Okay, and eligible, if I talk about the branches, so CSC, AIML, DS, cybersecurity, triple E, aligned CS, and IT discipline, all the branches are eligible for this. Okay, so this was all about the eligibility criteria. Now let's begin with the process, recruitment process. So first, you have to register, and when you will be registering, I'll be putting the link of the registrations in the description box. So go and check out all important links I will be putting there. Okay. So the round one will be online virtual assessment. Once you register yourself, you will be getting online virtual assessment, and there you will be having 3 hours and four questions will be there. As you know, four packages they are giving. So based on your assessment, based on your performance, they will be providing you the package. That means if you solve one question, so you will be eligible for six, two questions, so you will be eligible for 10. So in the basis of this, if you solve all four questions, so you will be eligible for the 21 LPA salary. Okay, so this is the first round where you will be having the assessment, virtual assessment questions, and this is going to be totally coding question. Okay. After this, if you qualify this virtual assessment round, you will be having in-person assessment. That means it is uh, interview. Okay, interview round where you will be having the interview can be of more. The time may be vary that time. So you will be having maybe test centers, and this will be totally based on the programming. Okay, so this is going to be the interview process, second round. Okay, after this, once you get selected, you will get offer letter and onboarding and all those things that they give I employ. So this is how you will be seeing the process, recruitment process step by step. Okay, after this we have the salary comparison. Okay, we have four different salaries. As you can see, I have already discussed, so you can see this: 21, 16, 10 LPA, 6.25 LPA. So these are the salaries that they are offering. And now let's discuss how to apply and from where you can apply this. So I have put in the link in the description box also. So this is the basically the apply link. You will be uh, getting this, means you have to register yourself in this link. You have to visit this link and register yourself, fill all the details up. You have to upload your resume, select your preferred role, submit it before 4 May, means the last date is 4th May. So to submit it before it, and you'll be receiving the mails about everything, whatever your dates of exams and assessment will be. So you will be getting all those things. All the communication will be done with the mail. Okay. And the last date, as I already mentioned, it's 4th May 2026. So go and apply on this. Okay, I have put in all the important links in the description box. So now let me show you some of the important actual asked questions. So basically, these questions are asked recently by the Infosys, and they have already conducted their this same assessment for the priority colleges. So we have arranged all the questions. So this is a question, as you can see, this is the complex question. Means if you solve till this question, so you will be getting 21 LPA. So you can take the screenshot or you can read how and what is the difficulty level of the question. Okay, we have other questions also. This is the test cases. You can take the screenshots. Okay, and we have all actual asked questions. So if you want the PDF of these all questions, we have also the January asked questions. Okay, so you can see this question. This is an easy question. So check the difficulty level of this easy one. Okay. and prepare accordingly. This is a hard question, means the third one question. This is a hard one. This is a medium question. So these type of questions you will be able to see in the assessment during the assessment period. And if you want this PDF, so what you have to do, I will be putting the this drive from where you can get this drive access. I will be putting the link in the description box. What you have to do, you have to go into description box, check out the material link in the description box, and enjoy. So yeah, so that's all for the day, and I hope this video may help you, maybe may have helped you. Okay, so if you are new in our channel, so please do subscribe the channel and like the video, because we will be bringing these type of videos on the daily basis. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching, and go and have this wonderful opportunity. So for today, that's all. We'll see you in the next video.